Oh yeah, guys, I'm at Gucci Burr Shop. That's right, Gucci Customs. You need any custom work done, hit him up. I gotta give my boy a plug. But yeah, speaking of Burr, oh my god, it's been cold, snowy, crappy here in Buffalo. That's why I haven't really been posting a lot of car content. I usually try to get a video up about every week. But yeah, the weather's been crappy, life's been getting in the way, so I'm sorry. But I got tons and tons of Cleetus footage that I gotta burn up. I wanna use it. It's too cool to waste. So we got a lot of new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button. Let's get into it. Cleetus and Cars, Burnout show, let's go. And I got another announcement at the end of this video. I'm going on another trip, baby. I'm gonna bring back some autographs and I'm gonna give them away to you guys. So look at this thing. Oh my God, it's like a 90s truck. Like the paint job just gives me like a 90s vibe, but then they updated it with these fucking massive wheels. Look at the interior. Dude, I've never seen something like this before in my life. Go figure. Only in Florida, a Corvette badge on it. So I'm assuming it would have an LS in it. Yo, look at these Mercedes on big wheels. I've never seen Mercedes like this before. Bless you. Never seen Mercedes like this before lifted on big wheels. And not only this one, but then this one over here, it's even older. Oof, she rough around the edges though. She bubbling. Dude, these are wild. All right, we're heading out, but these were cool to see. Yo, they match his house and his tow truck's back there. Yo, how gangster. Oh yeah, guys, Big Indian Drift crew at the house at the Freedom Factory. It's so cool to see this place in person. It's actually really nice. I mean, he's done it a lot since I was last here. So let's get into it. Cleetus and Cars, Burnout Day, let's go. Oh, look at it, boys and girls. A lot of Burnout cars down there. A lot of people got their stands set up. All the Burnout cars down there. So they got a couple cars here on display under the bleachers. This is really cool, and look what we got. The wrecked wheelie stand Fiero. So cool, man. I love this thing. I was so excited when they got it, and dang old LS George put her on her lid. But in defense, she did look like she was kind of a botch job. It's got the rat fink on the hood. That is neat. I've been dying to know what's happened to this thing. And of course, we got Rocket. I want this car. I want this car very bad. This is Kevin's from KSR's car. He won the street car shootout last night at Bradenton for the Test and Tune. I got a video up on that. Good. Finally made it here. Oh, how cool. Got the heat wave glasses in the house. It's rougher in person, but it's real 70s looking, real cool. I love it that it's still got a Mopar in it. I can't wait to see this thing rip today. That thing, I'm surprised, is still alive. And then the legend himself. I haven't seen this car in person yet. Oh yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And like I said earlier in the video, I'm going on another trip. I'm going to Orlando Speed World, December 17th and 18th. We're bringing Gucci Burr's Drift Charger, the Formula D, Sammy Hubinette's car, the Big Indian Drift Crew. We're going down to Adam LZ's Drift Invitational. It's going to be an awesome time. A lot of cool YouTubers, a couple Hoonigan guys are going to be there. I'm going to try to gather up as many autographs as I can. I don't care, I'm a fanboy. I'll get autographs. I'm going to hand them out to you guys. So like and subscribe. See you next time.